Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Clueless Dad. Today I have a very special episode. We will be doing an unboxing, well not unbagging. This is the swag bag from VidCon 2018 from our friends at FullScreen. So actually VidCon starts tomorrow. I'm in town for work, not because of this channel, but because I actually work in the industry. And we stopped by the FullScreen office today and they were really nice and gave us a swag bag, and I've heard it's quite good. I've seen a little bit inside of it, but I haven't looked inside yet. So let's take a look. It's basically just a generic gift bag with some crepe paper, but it's quite heavy and full of stuff. So let's reach in, and first thing, perhaps the coolest thing, is this. It is a baseball cap, golf cap, whatever, with a yellow dollar sign. And if you do YouTube, and especially if you do anything controversial on YouTube, you know exactly what the yellow dollar sign is. It means YouTube doesn't think your stuff is suitable for monetization. And trust me, because I work with a lot of YouTube channels, even on my Clueless Dad channel, which is relatively wholesome, although I do swear sometimes, I found even like my hip seat carrier video got the yellow dollar sign. I had to appeal and they did accept it. I guess using the word hip in your title makes them think it's a twerking video. So anyway, this is what the hat looks like. I'm going to wear it. It's got the FullScreen logo on the back. Okay, yellow dollar sign, Clueless Dad crossover. We have next up, a Keep cup. This is a glass coffee cup brew, so I don't know what it is. It's basically like a mug that's like one of those keep in your car to drink while you're driving kind of mugs, but it's actually made out of glass instead of a thermos or plastic. Designed for pure drinking pleasure on the go for the purists. So I guess it's like if you're so anal about your coffee that you want to have it out of a glass container, but you're on the go, now you're fine, right? Full-tempered barista standard soda lime glass, the perfect on-the-go vessel to enjoy the craft and sensory pleasure of specialty coffees. Because you know, if you put your coffee in plastic, it's ruined. Non-toxic, BPS-free, yada yada yada. Hard splash-proof lid. Lid's individually fitted for handball. So I guess the big thing is that it has like this cork thing on it to keep it from burning your hand. Replicates internal volumes of disposable cups. So there you go. And they come, there's a small, medium, and large, and I'm guessing this is the medium. So there's an even smaller one. I guess if you're your 8-ounce espressos, this is the 12-ounce medium, and then there's like the grande, whatever, big one. The world's first barista standard reusable cup. I don't like coffee. Actually, I really dislike coffee. Not only do I not like diet drinks, I dislike coffee, so maybe I'll have some tea in this, or I'll just use it in my rental car while I'm here in LA and then recycle it. What else do we have? We've got this, which the other people who got one couldn't figure out what it is. It is strange looking, and it says FullScreen Creator Network, and let's open it up. And it has some, let's see what this is. It's got like a little mirror thing on it. Oh, I know what it is. I was thinking like it's some kind of bottle cap opener. It is a selfie light. This goes on your phone. There's a thing here to pull out to basically activate the battery. So I'm gonna guess, oh yes, selfie light. Actually, this is good because this hotel has shitty lights. So how's that look? Does that look better? Can I leave it here? Oh, I'm so much better. Oops, I moved the camera. I'm so much better lit now. Actually, that's pretty good. So that's why there's a mirror on it. It's a freaking selfie light. I'm going to use that. And last but not least, this is the last thing, is Create, the t-shirt from the FullScreen Creator Network. So this is like a super large. That's cool. It's actually got a pretty cool like silver finish on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So thank you to FullScreen. I definitely going to use the selfie light. possibly use this. T-shirt's a little bit big, and the cap, I almost forgot I had it on. So comfortable. So thank you to FullScreen. So yeah, we just visited. I didn't actually get to do the whole office tour, but we had a great meeting with those guys. And I did actually recognize a YouTube celebrity. So I think there's a lot of YouTubers, definitely there's a lot of YouTubers in town already for VidCon, which starts tomorrow. And I saw some people come out of their office before my meeting started, and I totally recognized the guy. And it turns out it was at least I think, it was the What's Inside family. So these are the guys who like chop open stuff. It's like the dad with his 2 kids. And actually, I discovered that channel because of their Tesla videos, because I like technology and stuff. And so I saw them and I was like, oh, dude, I totally want to go up and say hi. And I was like, oh, if I take a selfie with him and post it on I can make a video about how I met the What's Inside people. And then he'll share it and I'll become super famous. So I'm scheming like a YouTuber wannabe. But anyway, they seemed like a really nice family. They actually played ping pong in the coffee area outside the office. The FullScreen office actually is pretty nice, and the Honest Company, as in Jessica Alba's company, is actually in the same complex. So it's a pretty cool place here in Los Angeles. If you guys ever join FullScreen, ask them for a visit. Anyhow, so that's it for the Clueless Dad. Totally unrelated to the rest of my videos, but if you do enjoy this one, you can see my same totally non-existent sense of humor on all those baby product videos and random stuff. And do check out my other channels. I also have a cola tasting channel called Obscure Cola, which you can see a link somewhere at the end of this video. And I do a bunch of other stuff, but you'll never see that. So, okay, see you guys next time here on the Clueless Dad. Peace out from LA.